Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I want to say Happy New Year. Hopefully you guys had amazing holidays with your family and your loved ones. So it's that time where we set our goals for the year. So my 2017 was not what I expected it to be, but there's no one to blame but myself. And so with this year, I want to hold myself a little bit more accountable for things and for the things that have been going the way they have been going. So this year I actually set goals and I wrote them down and want to share them with you. As I am doing this video, I am also working on a project that I have been putting off for a while. So that kind of leads into my first goal, and that is not to procrastinate, to actually get things done when I have to get them done. So that is my first one, and I think it's probably an important one because it leads your way to your future and what you want to accomplish. So that is the first one and a very important one. Also, 2017, I did not connect or stay in contact with a lot of people, and I feel horrible about that. So this year I also want to connect with friends, with old friends, or with just people in general that I haven't spoke to in a while, and also make new friends and see where that leads you, because I mean I cherish those people that I do know, and I feel like it's not known, so I want to let them know, and let them know that I just appreciate them and I appreciate the friendship that we have. So I want to be better at communicating with people. So that's a big one for me, connecting with friends and reconnecting with old friends. So there you go. My third one is to read. I am a horrible I just can't read, okay? I don't read. Not that I can't read, but I just don't like it. So I'm hoping with school starting, I don't know if I can do 2 books because I just don't like it. So I'll probably just do 1 book a month from now on. My first one is actually leading into my next goal. I don't even know where I'm at, but it's actually Flexible Fat Loss Solution by John Gorman. If you guys know, I follow a supplement company. Like, it's my favorite one, and I always feel guilty if I buy somewhere else. It's First Form, and that's how I got to know about John Gorman. So I'm hoping to finish this book. Well, actually start it because I just got it in the mail, but hopefully finish it by the end of the month. And I want to learn a lot because I actually want to feed my body what it needs. So yeah, just not to continue with my fitness, but to actually progress in my fitness, to better myself, and maybe give you guys a little bit of knowledge that, you know, might scare you or that you just don't know. So yeah. Another one is to stay consistent with these videos. I want to do them weekly, like I've said before, so I'm hoping to not procrastinate and put it to the last minute, because then it gives me no time to do it. So I want to be able to put myself out there and bring some positivity into the world, because anything is possible if you put your you know, if you put your mind to it, you can accomplish anything you want. Also, putting fear aside is a huge thing that I am working on. I tend to care what people think, and I'm pretty proud of myself that at the end of 2017 I started doing a couple of videos and honestly just didn't give a fuck about anything. So I want to be myself for you guys, and I want to be myself and bring laughter or a smile or a smirk to anybody's face that is out there. And that's my goal for this year, just to put myself out there, because I feel like if I am successful, then those around me will be successful, and I obviously want to bring everybody up with me and not push anybody down, and just connect and be a genuine person for the world. So those are my goals. Now on to my little DIY project. I'm doing redecorating, so This is dried, so it just looks like a bunch of like splotches, but I feel like the end goal will be amazing. So here we go. So I finished my project. This is it. Quite proud of myself. But anyways, remember to always do what you love and forget what everybody else thinks and just be you. But anyways, hope you guys liked my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and share it if you like to. But anyways, see you guys.